In this video, I want to give a 5-year ownership update on my 2004 E55 AMG. I will sum up the year after attending my last Cars and Coffee for the year at Porsche Center Langley, checking out some of the great cars here as the season winds down. In the last update video on the E55, I was at 99,700 kilometers. This year, I've really enjoyed the car and put 9,000 kilometers or 5,600 miles on it this year, so now at 108,700 kilometers. In June, I went for a road trip from Vancouver, Canada down to the southern coast of Oregon State. I stopped in Seattle before heading towards Astoria, and then Portland, and then the southern coast. From Coos Bay, we headed all the way back up the coast, and the E55 performed really well for over 20 hours of driving in just a few days. Superb comfort and power for overtaking when needed. It really made the miles fly by very quickly. I also went to a ton of car shows this year with E55 and met some great people. From local Cars and Coffees organized on Facebook, the excellent German Car Festival and the Mercedes Club Show and Shine, the Leavenworth Drive, the downtown Port Coquitlam Car Show, A&W Cruisin' in Maple Ridge, and the Langley Good Times Cruisin', which is the largest car show in Western Canada. So overall, it's been a great year with the car. So I did do a few things to the car since last year's update in terms of repairs and maintenance. I changed the spark plugs and replaced the air filters in December 2018, which cost a total of $230. In February 2019, I did a full 2-step paint correction. In March 2019, one of my headlight bulbs was dimming and discoloring, so I replaced both of the xenon bulbs with Osram 66240 CBI bulbs, and they were a slightly whiter color than the original bulbs, and they cost $100. Then I replaced the supercharger oil, which costs about $30 for the tin. I also replaced the transmission mount, which was only $20. And in March 2019, I rolled over 100,000 kilometers or 62,000 miles. In April, I changed the oil with Mobil 0W40 European formula and a MAN oil filter, which cost $60. In August, I replaced the battery for the car, the main battery in the trunk, as the car wasn't starting perfectly on cold start. It's a little bit of a hesitation. So this cost $225 and the startup was excellent after replacing the battery. So the cost for the year in terms of parts on the car was $665. So the total I have spent on the E55 on maintenance and repairs over the last 5 years and 50,000 kilometers of driving is $2,721 with doing all of my own work. Prices are in US dollars. There are a few more things to do over the winter with this car, such as replacing the coolant and replacing the brake fluid. Otherwise, this was a great year with the E55 and it really never missed a beat. This car is now 16 years old and still has contemporary performance, and it's been a joy to own. Thanks for watching, and if you like videos like this, subscribe for more.